We are starting with a simple scare template.
Let's double the size of the box to 200 millimeters side of the square. Let's click in the locks and flaps to find other options. We can hide flaps that we don't need. A detailed drop-down option for various locks can be selected as per the requirement. You can select the whole unfolded shape or body as a whole, individual faces of the body or locks, and individual flaps. Just select wherever you want to put a color or a gradient. You will have an access to distributed color palette to choose the right color you want. If you need a specific vector shape to be designed separately in Illustrator applications, you can pretty well do that at your ease, and once done, you can save the file in SVG format in the local disk. Later, this can be imported into the Folding Company app to use it in your packaging design. Once imported, you can do final edits including color changing, resizing, or even critical shape edits, just like professional vector editing software. After placing it in the right position, now I am going to cut out this area from the front face of the packaging design, just like a hole. You can do all exiting Boolean operations by using these kind of shapes. Now, instead of using an external vector editing software, I am going to design the set of teeths for this Monstar inside this application itself. After selecting a scare shape from the existing library, I will double-click on the shape to get into vector editing mode with highlighted vertices. Now I can move the vertices or introduce new vertices by double-clicking anywhere on the line. This helped me to match the whole shape by creating teeths for this Monstar. Now, instead of using this shape to create another hole, I will just keep it as it is, floating over the face of my packaging as an illustration. You can explore this feature by introducing 3D shapes, which looks most similar to your product that you want to put inside the packaging. Here, let me select one of these shapes, and from the dimension fields you can edit it, make it similar size of your actual product. This helps you understand what is the most optimum size of your packaging that you need to enclose your product. Let me again use the illustration tools to create two attractive eyes for the Monstar that I am trying to design through this tomato packaging box. Don't forget to explore the text options with 100+ most dynamically used fonts and various text editing and coloring features at your disposal. There is also an option to make the text circular with basic edits. Since in packaging designing circular texts are quite commonly used, we have made this available for the designers in a single click. By clicking into the locks, I am exploring various locking options available for the top and bottom closing of the box. Make sure you choose the most appropriate option based on weight, size, and type of your product that you are planning to put into this box. You can just import any image of your choice into the application and use them from the uploaded library into your design to overlay the 2D unfolded shape at the most appropriate place. In this tomato box design, I am using an image of a tomato that is getting placed between the jaws of the Monstar, trying to crush them apart. Now, to give the design a little more realistic look, I will be using the gradient feature to create edge shadows to create a realistic depth of the field in the face of the Monstar. Throughout the design, you will be creating various elements like shapes, images, text, etc. one above the other, and you need them to place the design layer only. So to readjust the layering, from the top right corner you can use layer icon and select an individual element to drag and drop at the appropriate layer. Alternatively, you can use right-click and send it back or front like usual applications. With this, I have completed my design of this packaging box, and I can check the final outcome with opening and closing slider in the 3D rendered view. Now you will be checking how your final product will look by choosing the material of the box and the type of finishing of printing. In the material, we are regularly loading new options like cardboard, corrugated sheets, plastics with multiple varieties that are available in the market. Similarly, finishings offering you matte lamination, glossy lamination, embossing/debossing, opaque and transparent, and many more. Just click Print Preview and export printable file from the print preview, which can directly go to the printer for your final production packaging box. By the way, you can also ask us to print and deliver the final packaging at your doorstep at a competitive price and best quality. Oh yes, you may need this for e-commerce listing images, right? You may also need an impressive video to be showcased in the social media. Here you go. Log in at Folding Company to design and explore.